Hello and Tashdilek everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. So the weather is very pleasant today. It's a very beautiful sunny day. So we can start any work now. It will be very good. So I'm wearing this very old top of my mother which does not fit her anymore but it fits me perfectly. So today I am going to shift my plant, all my baby plants which are grown up now. So I'm doing repotting of these plants. We know the world today going through so many difficult things and so many horrible events that we hear every day. The COVID-19 pandemic is very challenging and second wave even hit the India very badly. People are suffering and we know that we all are going through a really difficult times. Life is very unpredictable and full of uncertainty. But we need to believe ourselves. We need to seek positivity in such worse situation. Let's not be harsh on each other. We have to remember that this too shall pass. To all who are suffering, it may be tough right now, but let's pray for each other and believe in ourselves. It is very important to stay positive. If you are feeling afraid, remember you are not alone. We all are going through this. Be helpful to others. Just because we are all practicing social distancing, it doesn't mean we can't stay in touch with our family and friends. There are lots of ways and thanks to all the communication technology through which we can contact with each other. Reconnect with those you may not have heard from for a while. Make a mental effort to contribute positivity to the conversation. Remaining calm and constructive at times of uncertainty can help us navigate through difficulties and find a path towards our more resilient and selves. Let's practice gratitude. Our brains are weird to take note of when things go wrong. With gratitude, we can be acknowledge the goodness in life. We should also practice prayer. This will not only help one to stay positive during these turbulent times, but will greatly help others as well within one's sphere of influence. There are lots of things to do. I love planting, and planting is like a therapy for me. It gives me hope and inner peace at the same time. Look at these plants, how beautiful they look. I know I am talking too much and I know I am no one to say all this, but still I hope you guys like it. And if you guys make it till the end, then thank you very much. As I always say, I am blessed to have you all. Do share your story in comment and let's meet in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye and stay safe. And I'm still left with 1-2 minutes more, so please do watch it till the end. Thank you everyone. Take care. Lots of love for you all.